Every new year, the world celebrates beginnings. But imagine if, for just 1 minute, every heart paused together, in stillness, in peace, in compassion. That vision gave birth to Annual Spiritual Day. Created by symbolic artist Roy Shaah Shiras, known as Roy Shaah, Annual Spiritual Day is a global invitation, a chance for every person, no matter their faith or culture, to begin the year with unity, reflection, and kindness. It's not a holiday of any religion. It's a moment that belongs to all life. On January 1st at 12 o'clock noon local time, people everywhere are invited to pause, to close their eyes, breathe deeply, and join in 1 minute of silence for peace and gratitude. In that single minute, a wave of unity travels across the earth from one time zone to the next, a chain of light connecting every soul. After the moment of silence, we continue the energy of peace through acts of compassion. Spend a little time in nature, share kindness with someone in need, or offer food, care, or love to any living being, human, animal, or the natural world. Because compassion is the language that all hearts understand. Although the celebration begins on January 1st, its spirit continues each full moon as a gentle reminder to pause, reflect, and realign with peace. The emblem of Annual Spiritual Day, a golden lion's face surrounded by a soft ash-grey aura, symbolizes strength, peace, and balance. Roy Shaah says, "When each heart finds harmony, the whole universe begins to heal." Annual Spiritual Day was born from that simple truth, that the smallest moment of stillness can awaken harmony in us all. I created Annual Spiritual Day to give the world a simple and peaceful moment that belongs to every heart. When the world unites for 1 minute of silence, it becomes more than a ritual. It becomes a wave of light that touches every soul. Join the movement. On January 1st at noon, pause with the world. Share your moment using the hashtags Annual Spiritual Day, or ASD. Together, let's add more peace, reflection, and meaning to the new year. For every heart, for all life. One universe, one moment, one heart.